Hi, my name is David Carchesio. I'm with General Manufacturing. We make a full range of woodworking machinery. One of the most gratifying and satisfying machines a person can purchase is a wood lathe. We have a full range of wood lathes in our line. This is our beginner lathe, and it's a great way to get to know and introduce yourself into wood turning. This is an affordable unit, but has quite a few features on it. The most important part is multiple speeds. This has a quick access cover where you can change speeds rapidly with a quick release lever to accommodate certain different diameters in the wood turning. The machine comes with a 3-inch faceplate, spur center, tool rest, and a live bearing center. This particular model has a 10-inch swing and has a 32-inch capacity. It's 15-inch between centers, and there's an optional bed extension which gives you 32-inch capacity if you wanted to do longer spindles. All cast iron and covered by our full lifetime warranty. It's a great way to get started in the wood turning. If you find you enjoy it and want to proceed into bigger bowls, it's easy to upgrade into different models down the road. Thank you. Have a good day.